Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix Snapchat camera not working or showing a black screen on your iPhone. Let's get started. First, check camera permission. Go to settings on your phone, then tap on Snapchat, then camera, and make sure to turn it on. Snapchat needs permission to access your camera. Next, close and reopen the Snapchat app. Swipe up from the bottom of your screen and swipe away the Snapchat to close it completely. Wait a few seconds, then open the app again. Try the camera. Now restart your iPhone. Restarting clears temporary glitches that can cause the camera to stop working. Turn off your phone, wait about 30 seconds and turn it back on. After that, update the Snapchat. Open the App Store, search for Snapchat and tap Update if available. Update often fix camera box and black screen issue. Finally, check the hardware. If the camera still doesn't work, other apps, there might be a hardware issue. In that case, contact Apple support. And that's it. This step should fix Snapchat camera not working or black screen issue on your iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys liked this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.